We had a number of reasons to do that. We actually didn't think we were able to do that until a couple of years ago because of the restrictions of the airport and glint and glare. But when we discovered that you can actually get glint and glare, it's opened it up in terms of partly it's an economics cost benefit in terms of installing a system in which you can actually get the cost benefit in terms of not only free solar running the business, but also the export of electricity which you get paid back for. That was the other reason, but another big reason for us is the ESG requirements, which are your environmental, social, governance aspects in terms of bigger companies we deal with, asking for ESG credentials and making sure that you're carbon neutral. The process in terms of what we've done with Genfit has been a very successful one. We've worked very well with Genfit, and the actual installation was up really quickly once we got the planning approvals through. The system installed with very few issues. It was installed very well. It's been running now for several months, no issues, and we're very happy with what we've got. The site team, I think, were very professional. We had no issues to have to discuss with them, whether it be from a health and safety or just general business perspectives or how they conduct themselves. There was no issues at all. These were very good. Communication was very good. I didn't have any issues coming either from an understanding technological point of view or else just general kind of admin point of view. It was all very seamless. The process in terms of what we've done with Genfit has been a very successful one. We've worked very well with Genfit, and the actual installation was up really quickly once we got the planning approvals through. The system installed with very few issues. It was installed very well. It's been running now for several months, no issues, and we're very happy with what we've got. Solar PV has given us so far, although we've not had enough time to actually analyse all the data, but it's given us the benefits that we expected it to, in that 90% of what we use comes off the solar so far, but then again we've been in a sunny period, but we also seem to be getting the capacity for the export as well, so and it seems to be achieving the ESG environmental goals in terms of what our key customers look for, which is also extremely important in why we did it. Yes, they've come down extremely low, a fraction of what they were compared to pre-solar panels, but we're lucky enough to our energy usage is mostly whilst we're here during the day, so whilst the sun shines, it's great. The experience was very positive. I've not had any issues. It's all gone very smoothly, and I'm happy with everything that we have thus far.